Hi everyone, this is Vinisha, and in today's video, we are going to see some troubleshooting steps to fix the document cache errors while working with the IMAP email connector. So here on my screen, I have a sample process. This process is used to receive the emails with attachments using the IMAP connector. So I've set the action to receive and I've configured the operation. So currently when I'm trying to test this process, I'm running into a cache error. Let me demonstrate it for you. Just give it a moment. So as you see, the process is failing with the connector with this error message. The document cache is not configured correctly. So let's go ahead and verify the document cache configuration. So this is the operation, and the attachment cache I've used is called the test attachment cache. So here we need to verify the key which is used. So especially when working with the IMAP connector, in the attachment cache, you will have to make sure to use the IMAP connector related parameter called the message ID. The message ID, so currently if you see, currently it is set to some dynamic document property, which is not correct. This has to be the message ID of the IMAP connector. So let's go ahead and correct it. So we'll have to select the dynamic document property and connectors. So the connectors and then IMAP connector, and you will have to select the message ID property here. So the message ID is basically a unique email message identifier. This identifier helps to retrieve the attachments. So once this is done, click on OK, and save it. So, and also another thing is you'll have to verify the index and alias names which are set in your cache. Should be matching to the values that you have entered in your connector operation. So for instance, my index name, which I've used in the cache, is called mail, and the alias name is mail IMAP message ID. So those values has to be the same here. So let me correct the index name to use mail as the value. This alias name is fine. So now we are good with the configuration. I've resaved the operation. So let me try to re-execute the process and observe the result now. So I'm basically trying to read an email message with a sample text file attachment in it. So just give it a moment. So the process is now successful. The cache issue is now fixed. So let's try to take a look at the document, the output of the connector. So this is subject, and I've sent one attachment. So this is this is the email content, and to be able to view the attachment data, we'll have to check it after the attachment cache is shared. So this is a sample text file attachment which I've sent, and as you can see, now the error is fixed and the process is good to go. So I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching.